Hey guys, I see a lot of questions on how to create spatial videos for Apple Vision Pro using multiple cameras like a GoPro. This is an intro to my very basic workflow using Blackmagic Fusion along with the Karta VR tools available via Reactor. Let's start by dragging our footage from the two GoPro cameras into the Fusion node area. We'll need just a few nodes. First, a transform node to align the two images. We'll use two Karta VR nodes, the KVR Create Stereo and the KVR Lens nodes. We'll use an instant copy of the lens correction node to apply to both videos. I'm assuming both lenses have similar distortion, which is a simplification. Make sure the Create Stereo node is set to dual in and horizontal out, then press 2 to display the stereo pair on the right monitor. Next, I'll scroll through the footage to see if the frames are aligned. I'm starting my GoPros with the GoPro remote, and generally the alignment is within a frame or two. If not, I can adjust the trim in setting of one of the video loader nodes to align the two videos. To adjust the alignment, I set the right viewer to stereo mode difference to clearly see the two frames. You want the most distant elements to be perfectly aligned. You'll be able to tell when the trees in this case merge into the background gray. Looking at the fence line, I can see one of the cameras has a little bit of a rotation, even though the GoPros are in an aligned 3D printed enclosure. So I adjust that angle. Next, I want to remove the GoPro lens distortion. I'm looking at the left trellis, or really any straight vertical. I adjust the KVR lens distortion until the vertical column is straight. The instance of the node adjusts both inputs. This gets you in the ballpark, but stereo alignment deserves a more detailed tutorial at some point. Finally, I add a saver node and select ProRes 422 as the output. Hit render as the files write out to my NAS. Hardware-wise, I'm on a Windows 11 box and an NVIDIA 3090 GPU. Now let's hop over to the Mac Mini to convert the video for view on the Apple Vision Pro. I'll use the Spatial Metadata GUI app, drag the ProRes footage onto the app. The input image is a flat projection and is side by side. The horizontal view of the GoPro Hero 6 is 122 degrees. Leave everything else as the default and hit encode video. The resulting file is an MV HVEC file that can be played right from the Vision Pro file app. If you find this useful, let me know and I can continue to show more advanced workflows.